What's up to my friends on YouTube? Today I'm coming at you with another Cut the Rope walkthrough, going over the last and final level of Cardboard Box, level 25. If you did need help with any other levels throughout the Cardboard Box journey, or any other levels on Cut the Rope in general, I'm going to leave a playlist with all of the levels walked through down below in the description, and you could just check that out and look through whatever level you need to be walked through. Jumping into this level though, the ropes that are connected to the candy, you're going to cut both of them at the same time, and then it's going to fall and get caught up in two ropes again, as well as the bubble, and you're going to cut these two ropes again at the same time as well, and then a similar situation with the two ropes once you get that third star, and then for the final time, you just cut both of the ropes at the same time. You will get that final star, and it will drop into Amnom's mouth, giving you a 3-star on this final level of Cardboard Box, and giving you a 3-star for the entire series, which is quite a satisfactory feeling. If you did have any questions or were confused at all on this level or any of the levels I've covered in this series, comment down below and I will get back to you as soon as possible. Otherwise, if you found this helpful, like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.